Can't wait, Amelia.
Can't wait for what?
What the fuck is that flying, yo? To start school for free.
Come on. Oh my god.
What do I push? This is camera? Is it video?
It's already on.
Oh,
Let me see.
bitch.
Yeah, it's already on.
Why didn't you say that?
You don't have to talk so close to the mic, my nigga. Take up all of my voice, everything. So what we gonna talk about?
Girl, my throat starting to hurt. Yes.
What you been doing?
Smoking.
Smoking. What else?
Eating. That's
God
it.
damn it, these bugs. Girl, I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself, man. So, you've been eating and smoking. Smoking and eating.
Yeah. She's finding the bugs.
Yes, there's too many of them.
Lips look purple. Oh, wow.
Let's
I'm
walk
about to go
around.
get the roll up.
Let's walk around.
Mhm.
We can't stand
It is pretty over there, though. And I like that, the gazebo.
Oh! I want to listen to music. Can we stay by the car? Can we do that? You know, I mean, there's too much nature over here.
Oh, nature is beautiful.
Nature.
Being outside is beautiful.
Let's walk. Let's go. Let's go. I can't do it.
Can I send you blue lotion?
It's in the car. Come on. It's in the car. Let's go to the car. Stop scratching. You're making it worse.
Something is bothering my goddamn skin, and I told the doctor that. Oh, she said some dangerous. There's something wrong with your allergy.
Yeah, it might be your allergy.
It's irritating me. Something just irritated my whole body, my skin.
It might be your allergy. So, when is your appointment again?
So like, come over here. I know you, bitch. How are you?
Girl. Girl.
Oh, I got it.
What? What?
Oh,
Girl, I thought it was a bug or something. You better recognize
It was.
out here. We ain't playing over here.
It flew right by.
I'll make sure I got my shit. Make sure I got my shit in my pocket, girl.
Sure is.
So I found a way to record you without really recording you.
What do you mean?
Look at yourself. See that? Your shadow. Ow. Come on, let's go.
Oh.
Oh, it's a great day today, huh?
Mhm. To go.
So, where are we going? Where are we going?
Banana's land.
Where are we going? You gotta watch for cars, though.
Yeah.
You don't want to get hit. Tell ya. Get smashed like pancakes. It's so funny.
You are funny girl.
Well, we do things sometimes, you know. Whew. That was a beautiful walk, wasn't it? Now we have returned to our humble abode. Shall we get in? See, I'm
Alright,
back.
so we out. Crow intentions. Deuces. Deuces, man.
Deuces, man.